Hi, here we are going to see about the Unit 5 continuation part. So in this presentation we are going to see about what are the expectations are involved in the infringement, and we are going to deal with the doctrine of fair and also the remedies which are available for the infringement. So let me see one by one. So Macmillan and Co versus KG Cooper. So here in this fact they have mentioned that plaintiff book consisted of selected passages by the Plagiarized life of Alexander the Great, joined together by few words to give a different appearance. So the book also contained introduction and notes useful for education. So the similar book was published by the defendants with notes. So the original work contained 40,000 words, while the defendants had copied 20,000 words and 7,000 words in notes. So the main issue is whether the defendant work infringed the copyright in the plaintiff works or not. So here the hold held is that is the defendant will work infringe their copyright. So this belongs to the infringement of copyright. So the next thing will be the T-Series versus Guruji.com. So T-Series versus Guruji.com fact was that is T-Series is a top music label company, and Guruji.com is an indigenous made music search engine which is founded by two IIT graduates in 2006. So Guruji.com slowly gained popularity on music search engines. So it didn't hold the any pirated music, but it promotes the pirated music through home page. Search the results. It was sharing the mega data instead of only one links. So they also display the ads like songs.pk likewise. So 2008 T-Series is issued notice to Guruji.com. So next, where did they defend the go wrong means they didn't maintain any anonymity. So the other music piracy websites have servers outside India and outside Indians court purview. So the judgment becomes that is the defendant will remove the search links for music from its own site. Then they have shut down the music search site in 2011, and then they have arrested the Anurag Dod, CEO of Guruji.com. So the servers, storage media and other equipments are also seized by the judge defendant. So then it is arrested of employments of Guruji.com also. So these all things will be happened in the Guruji.com and T-Series website. Next is the expectations to infringement. So first we have to give the private use, that is including the research and criticism or review. Second, we have to report the current events in any print media, or also we have to broadcast in a cinematographic film or by means of photographs. So next thing will be the reproduction for the purpose of judicial proceedings, and then the report of judicial proceedings will be maintained seriously. After that, the reading or recitations in public will be occurred, and the publication in the collections should be maintained in a particular format. So the making of sound with owner's consent, and also it should reproduce the publications of literary, dramatic, musical or artistic works. The doctrine of fair dealing. So the term fair dealing has not been defined in the act. So it is a legal doctrine which should be used as allows the persons to make the limited use of copyrighted work without the permissions of owner. So the fair nature of the dealing will depends on the following four factors. What are the four factors means? First, we have to use the purpose of the doctrine. Second thing, we have to check the nature of the work. If the nature of the work is familiar to everyone, you have to go through the details. Next, the amount of the work used in the field. After that, the effect of use of the work on the originality will be maintained, particularly in a corresponding manners. So certain changes were incorporated by the way of copyright, that is Amendment Act of 2012. So the existing clauses has been amended to provide fair dealing with any work for the purposes of private and personal use, with an exception that the computer program is mainly dealing with the doctrine of fair. Next is the remedies which is available for infringement. What are the remedies means? First thing will be there are two types. One is administrative, next is civil, and the third thing will be criminal. So first we are going to see about the administrative. So in administrative part, we have to include the detention of the infringing goods by customer authorities. Then only we can identify the administrative infringement. Second thing will be the civil infringement. How we can check the civil infringement means we can check through injunction, then pecuniary remedies, Anton pillar orders, Marway injunction, Morwich pharmaceutical orders. Everything will be comes under the remedies of infringements. So these are the things we have seen about the infringement. Next thing will be the criminal infringement. So in criminal infringement, that is the imprisonment is up to 3 years and not less than 6 months. So also they have imprisoned and also fined with the amount of 50,000. It should not be less than 50,000, or else it will be extended up to 2 lakhs. They have to pay the fine amount as well as they have to imprison for maximum of 6 months. Okay, maximum of 3 years, minimum of 6 months. So the search and seizure of infringing goods will be occurs in the particular periods, and the delivery of infringing goods to the copyright owners are fined the amount. What is trademark? So the sign which is capable of distinguishing the goods or services which is produced or provided by one enterprise from other enterprise is called the trademark. So trademarks may be word, name, slogan, symbol, package design, sound, three-dimensional marks, pictures, everything will be comes under the trademark. What does these symbols means? So that is Google. In the top of them, that is TM means that is a trademark. So this word will be trademarked by the symbols word will be trademarked. So that is mentioned at the top. And in the second picture, that is the WordPress, at the top they have mentioned as R. So R means we have to they have already registered in the patent and get the patent rights. So that is denoted as R in the top corner. And also the third symbol means that SM. So SM means that is they have a association, that is the symbol is kept on the particular part. So this symbols will be denotes the that particular words or symbols or letters has been trademarked or not. What is infringement of trademark? So the infringement of the trademark is said to be that when a registered trademark is used by person who is neither registered proprietor or license of said trademark. So in relation to the goods and services, it is registered in a particular manner. So the violation of the exclusive rights will be felt, and it is registered by the proprietor of the trademark India, and it is governed by Trademark Act of 1999. For example, we can tell about the McDonald's company. So McDonald's company has made their company as registered in the trademark, and they this symbol will not be used for any other companies. Acts mounting to infringement. So the trademark is infringed by the persons not being a registered proprietor. It should be used in the course of trademark which is identical or deceptively similar to the goods or services in respect to the trademark registered. So it is likely to cause the confusion or a part of public or have a association with a registered trademark, because the identity or similarity of the goods or services are registered in the trademark. So it has take unfair advantages or determinal to reputations of registered trademarks. The next should be, that is, the person who applies the registered mark to the material which will be intended to use for packaging or labeling. And also it is that they have an advertisement if makes unfair advantage or a determinantal that is to distinctive character or against the reputation. So by the spoken we have so many words which will constitute the distinctive element of registered trademark as well as by visual representation. So the persons will uses the registered trademark and the name of the business which will be concerned with the trade name as also without authorization levels. So that is the one thing you can check, that is McDowell's also having the same symbol and McDonald's also having the same symbol. Likewise Starbucks coffee as well as Starbucks coffee. So these are the two things we have which have been named as the business concerns. When is a person said to be using a registered trademark? The persons can use the trademark if they have access to goods or packaging. So they offer exposes the goods for sale or supplies the services under the registered trademark. So we can also import the goods under the marks. So we use the registered trademark or a business papers or in advertising methods. So these are the Dodges as well as Lake Mary High School methods that have been introduced in the trademark symbols. Acts not constituting the infringement. So following acts will not constitute the infringement. So we have to use the accordance with the honest practices in industrial and commercial matters. So we use the determinants to take the unfair advantages of trademark to distinctive characters or use in relation to the goods which will repute the characters, quality and geographical origins. It is also used the trademark registered subject to any conditions and may use beyond the scope of the such conditions. So if mark lawfully applied or consented by the proprietor means we can use the mark in relation to part or accessories to the goods. So if reasonably necessary to indicate that the goods are so adapted means we can assignment the or right to the conferred by the independent registrations. Protection of trademarks in India. We have followed the statutory protections, that is for trademark we have introduced the Trademark Act in 1999. It will protect the proper contents or properties under the protections. So that this act will provide the various remedies for infringement such as injunction, damages or accounts of profits, order for delivery or destructions of infringing the label or mark, seizure or confiscation of infringing goods, arrest of infringer, fine, penalties, everything will be comes under the trademarks in India protections. Thank you.